take a look at a 2016 American Coach Allegiance. This is a 42T floor plan, which is a triple slide unit, as we have a full wall slide. We are a tag axle coach. Now, American Coach represents some of the finest coaches available in the marketplace. The Allegiance is built on a Liberty chassis with a 450 horse engine. It is a Cummins, built on a Liberty superstructure chassis that allows this package to have 15,000 pounds tow capacity instead of the industry standard 10. Let's take a closer look. Overall, of course, you'll see the exquisite full body paint, but as I step back, you'll notice the two large Girard awnings that are the entire length of the coach. As we step a little closer, you'll see the nice large oversized Sony television in the exterior entertainment center. And of course, a coach of this caliber has the paint scheme matched on the slide out so that when your slides are open, everything matches perfectly. Now, American Coach is about attention to detail. You'll notice items like a rain rail here that actually directs water away from your coach when it's raining. We've got all side swing doors on this coach. Our first and second compartment both have full pull-out trays that slide each way. Now, the big difference with our coaches, as I climb underneath here, is our Liberty chassis. So normally with a Freightliner chassis, you're going to have C-channel rails that run. We actually ship those rails back, drop in a 9-inch I-beam that you'll see here, and then cross brace our entire chassis to give it a super rigid chassis and ride. This is going to give you one of the quietest rides in the industry. Now, also outside, we have here our bay for our batteries, and of course we have 8 batteries on board. And our next bay here is our 2800 watt inverter and our surge guard that's built in. Let's go inside and take a closer look at this coach and its beauty. First thing you'll notice as we open the doors, the steps are full Corian with LED lighting. As we walk in, you'll just see the exquisite workings. We don't have a traditional dash. We have a custom inlaid American Coach dash with backup side view cameras, GPS, ultra luxury seats. Now let's take a closer look at the coach here. Now you'll notice everything is about feature, function, and luxury. Our floors are a dual zone controlled heated floor system. We have villa furniture throughout. This has our high gloss woods throughout. You'll just notice the attention to detail. Custom Corian countertops with true induction range. We do have dishwasher on board, and unlike all our competitors' coaches, it's blended into the cabinetry, so you don't see your dishwasher sitting there staring at you. Residential convection microwave and convection oven, large residential fridge. We have beautiful pull-out pantries that are nice and large and all handmade. In our bedroom area, we have a king-size bed in the back here. An overabundance of drawers and wardrobe storage. Sony Bravia TVs and Sony equipment throughout the unit. Now, this is a bath-and-a-half floor plan, so in the back here we have our main bath with our shower, nice big shower with our seat integrated in it, big skylight above. But the 42T really boasts this walk-in closet. So we have a great spot here for folding clothes, our safe in the back, lots of storage right around, shoe rack of course, and then our stacking washer dryer is here, which is a great feature because you can close the door to your closet, close the door to your washroom, and even close the door to the bedroom. You'll never hear that running in the back. We do have a midship bath here. And of course we use multiplex lighting, or multiplex wiring, sorry, so that we have several access points to turn all our lights on or off. Of course, a beautiful freestanding table. There's a computer desk built in there, our center TV. As I pan upwards so you can see some of the beautiful accents on the ceiling, and a full residential style return air conditioning system with triple ACs. There's a bank of our multiplex switches, which include the switches for all our power shades, as all the shades on this coach are full power, not just your front drivers, but every single window. Up front, we've placed our large screen TV, additional storage, home entertainment. We just have an abundance of features. Aquahot heating with instantaneous and endless hot water. This American Legion really is truly about traveling. We look forward to hearing from you. If you liked the video, please click the like button and feel free to subscribe.